A day at the park. Sarah is a happy girl. She is 7 years old and lives in a small, quiet town with her mother. She has curly brown hair, big blue eyes, and always wears a bright smile. Sarah loves nature. She enjoys playing outside, listening to the birds, and running under the sun. One sunny morning, Sarah wakes up early. She jumps out of bed and runs to the window. The sky is blue, the sun is shining, and the trees are moving gently in the wind. "Mom, the weather is so nice today. Can we go to the park?" Sarah asks excitedly. Her mother, who is cooking breakfast in the kitchen, smiles. "Of course, Sarah. Let's eat breakfast first, and then we can go." Sarah sits at the table. Her mother gives her pancakes with honey and a glass of milk. Sarah eats quickly but carefully. She doesn't want to spill anything. After breakfast, Sarah gets ready. She puts on her favorite yellow dress and white shoes. She also packs her red ball, a small bottle of water, and a sandwich in her backpack. "Are you ready, Sarah?" her mother asks. "Yes, Mom, let's go," Sarah says, holding her mother's hand. They walk to the park. On the way, Sarah sees many interesting things. She sees a butterfly with orange and black wings. She stops and watches it fly from one flower to another. "Mom, look at the butterfly. It's so pretty," Sarah says. "Yes, it's beautiful. Nature is full of wonders," her mother replies. When they reach the park, Sarah feels so happy. The park is big and green. There are tall trees, colorful flowers, and soft grass. Many children are playing. Some are on the swings, some are on the slides, and others are running and laughing. Sarah sees a little brown dog near the benches. The dog is playing with a stick. It wags its tail when it sees Sarah. "Hi, little dog," Sarah says. She kneels down and pets the dog gently. The dog barks softly and licks her hand. Sarah decides to play with her ball. She throws it high in the air and catches it. Then she throws it far away. The brown dog runs after the ball, grabs it with its mouth, and brings it back to her. "Wow, you're so clever," Sarah says. She laughs and claps her hands. The dog barks happily and runs in circles around her. After playing with the dog, Sarah notices the swings. "Mom, can I go on the swing?" she asks. "Of course, Sarah," her mother says. Sarah sits on the swing and her mother pushes her gently. "Whee!" Sarah shouts as she goes up and down. She feels like she is flying in the sky. Nearby, a group of children are playing tag. They run fast and try to catch each other. Sarah watches them and thinks, "I want to play with them next time." After swinging, Sarah feels a little tired. She walks to a big tree in the middle of the park. The tree has thick branches and lots of green leaves. Sarah sits under the tree and takes out her water bottle. Her mother joins her. "Are you having fun, Sarah?" she asks. "Yes, Mom. I love the park. It's so nice here," Sarah says, taking a sip of water. They sit quietly for a while, enjoying the cool shade and the sound of the birds singing. Sarah eats her sandwich and shares a small piece with the little brown dog who has followed her. Later, Sarah explores the park with her mother. They walk along the paths and look at the flowers. Sarah sees a pink rose, a yellow daisy, and a bluebell. She stops to smell each flower. "Mom, the flowers smell so good," Sarah says. "They do, Sarah. Flowers make the world beautiful," her mother replies. As the day goes on, the sun begins to set. The sky changes colors. It becomes orange, pink, and purple. Sarah and her mother sit on a bench and watch the sunset together. "Look, Mom, the sky looks like a painting," Sarah says. "Yes, it's so pretty. The sunset is a gift from nature," her mother says. When it gets dark, Sarah and her mother decide to go home. The stars are starting to appear in the night sky. Sarah looks up and whispers, "Good night, stars." At home, Sarah takes a warm bath. She puts on her soft pajamas and brushes her teeth. She lies in bed with her favorite teddy bear. "Today was the best day, Mom. Thank you for taking me to the park," Sarah says sleepily. "You're welcome, my dear." "Sweet dreams," her mother says, kissing her forehead. Sarah closes her eyes. She dreams about the park, the swings, the flowers, and the little brown dog. She feels happy and safe.